Super easy to make your own herbal salve. Today I'm going to show you how to make a nice lavender salve. My daughter loves this stuff. She looks for any excuse to make up a boo-boo or something that she can get a little bit of cream rubbed on. But it really smells wonderful from the lavender essential oil and has great quality ingredients, none of the harmful chemical ingredients that you'd get in some of the over-the-counter products. And it's so easy to make, and it's actually a raw salve, so we don't even need to cook it. Some of the ingredients we're going to be using are wheat germ oil, Moroccan argan oil. You've probably heard about this. There's a lot of buzz going on about the benefits for your skin. This is African shea butter. This is really thick. This is going to give it a nice consistency. Of course, our lavender oil. This is sea buckthorn oil. It has very healing benefits for the skin, as well as virgin coconut oil. It's organic from Whole Foods. This is going to help to thin out the shea butter a little bit, and also has all those great benefits that's going to make your skin just so soft and glowing. And this happens to have a lot of benefits that heals, little cuts or wounds or eczema, psoriasis, those dry conditions, dry cuticles. You can even use it overnight on your feet, on any dry calluses, and just cover up with cotton socks, and it helps to really soften them by the morning. So let's go ahead and show you how to make it. Okay, so we're going to scoop out approximately 2 tablespoons of our shea butter. As you can see, it's very thick. It's kind of the plant-based equivalent of beeswax. Then we're going to add a teaspoon or 2 of our coconut oil. We'll see how that does. This is something you need to play around with because every batch of shea butter is different. Some might be thicker than others. The idea is that we're basically just mashing it with a fork, and the coconut oil helps to thin it out, along with our other ingredients that will help to thin it out. So let's go ahead and add those as well. So let's add a few drops of our argan oil. I would say maybe 5 pumps. And then the wheat germ oil, we're going to add approximately a teaspoon. Sea buckthorn oil, let's just add a few drops. This is a strong smelling oil, and it also gives it a strong color, so we're going to go light on that. Let's mix these in and see what consistency we get. I love that you don't need to cook this salve. A lot of these natural beauty products and creams you need to heat on the stove. This one is so simple and easy. And when it's raw, a lot of those healing benefits are preserved by not heating them. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and add a few drops of our essential oil. Now, we want to be careful with essential oils because they can be strong, on sensitive skin. So we're just going to add 3 or 4, maybe that was 5 at the most, drops of lavender essential oil. And as you can see, we have a nice buttery, creamy consistency that's perfect. We wouldn't want to thin it out anymore, so I'm glad we didn't add any more of our more liquid ingredients. You want to just get a basically smooth consistency. Then you'll want to have a little glass jar. You can use a small canning jar, or I got these small glass jars on Amazon, where I get almost everything. And then we're just going to scoop out our salve and transfer it into the little jar. And these make great gifts, by the way. People love getting homemade salves and creams and lip gloss. If it gets a little too messy with your rubber scraper, you can just switch to scooping it in there with a spoon. Basically, you just want to fill up your little pot. And then, of course, you'll want to store it in a cool, dry place, in your bathroom cabinet. Or I even keep one sometimes in my tote bag when I go somewhere in case you ever need it in a pinch. If my daughter gets a little boo-boo scrape or something, first thing she says is cream. So here's our finished product. It smells so good. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, so rich and nourishing my skin. So I hope you enjoy making your own lavender salve at home.